For the test-driven development, it is essential to use a step-by-step debugger with Simulink. EverTest provides such a debugging capability. You can set the debug checkbox in the GUI and start the process. In the Excel file, you can see all values for the current step and all the steps before. You can scroll in the Excel sheet horizontally and vertically if you need more information. The first two columns will stay still as they provide the test case description and the time vector. You can switch to the interface sheet if you need to, and you can resume the debugging. EverTest will come back to the current test case automatically. In Simulink, you can see the values of each block output. In Stateflow, you can observe the values of each variable. The Simulink scopes are synchronized with the current simulation data. The EverTest Debugger allows continuing the testing until a specific step to observe and analyze the situation and resume the step-by-step debugging as you need it. The current simulation step is displayed in the Simulink window, in the EverTest graphical user interface, and in the time column of the test case specification. The automatic assessment is supported exactly the same way you are used to in EverTest. You see the red color for failed and green color for pass.